Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that MacBook Pro users with Latin American keyboard settings might encounter. The elusive backslash symbol seems to have gone into hiding, leaving users scratching their heads when they need it for various commands and applications. It's frustrating to have such a high-end machine and struggle to type a simple backslash. Now, let's talk about the solution. According to a Reddit thread, the magic key combo to summon the backslash on your Spanish Latin American keyboard is pressing Option and the key between 0 and that's the one right beneath the FN keys. Just like magic, the backslash will appear, ready to fulfill all your typing needs. In summary, we've cracked the case of the missing backslash on your MacBook Pro Spanish keyboard. No need to copy and paste anymore. Remember, Option key plus key is your new best friend. So go ahead, type away with ease and embrace the backslash once again. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment below. Stay tech savvy, and keep those backslashes coming.